frame, frame,
potato, potato.
Hurry, cut that potato.
toe, toe. My uncle doesn't like potatoes.
Sorry, I only have one potato.
I'm lost. Where is the farmer's market?
Farmer's market.
Bread,
Fresh fish. Fish.
tomato.
Town,
Sell, together.
Why is this potato red? This. Potato. Red.
Town. Sell,
pig.
horse.
These tomatoes are really fresh.
She buys fresh bread at the farmer's market every week.
She sells tomatoes at the farmer's market every week.